Hi all. In this session we'll be learning how to check the slab before the casting. Okay, before that the first step is the shuttering part. Here we have done a shuttering. Okay, here we need to check the level of shuttering and there should not be any gap between the shuttering plates. That checking to be done, and the line and length of edges will be checked, and if it is not yet provided properly, we need to do that one. Once if that completed, the reinforcement is get completed, we'll going for the checking of reinforcement, that is the spacing of reinforcement, dia of bars, the spacing in x and y direction of a slab. Apart from that, the spacing of stirrups, number of bars in the beam. Okay, all things need to be checked here. The cranking, the length of cranking need to be checked here. These are the major aspects of that is checking or checklist of the slab before casting the slab. We need to check these things. Okay, here we are checking the depth of beam. Once if it is completed, we'll be going for the covering. There should be a proper covering between the shuttering and the reinforcement. The gap should be there. The proper cover to be provided to the reinforcement. Here they are providing the cover for slab as well as beam. Here in this video you can see the covering work is covering to the reinforcement is provided using the standard cover blocks. We need to maintain the cover blocks, or we need to put the cover blocks instead of that whatever the pieces of stone or aggregate something. Okay, instead of that we should provide the cover blocks, standard cover blocks of size 15, 20, 25 like that. So the appropriate cover blocks to be maintained. Here you can see the covering work is going on. Once if that is completed, we need to check the whole slab. And here in this video the electrical conduits are done, whatever the points junctions are there. So we have done electrical conduit work. Here you can see the electrical conduit work is get completed. Whatever the points are there, junction points or the switches, okay, based on the electrical drawing we will be laying this one, laying the pipes, and that should be provided, the pipes should be provided with the spring. For that we have provided a spring. Here in this video you can see the spring on the pipe. I will show you here. Here you can, once if it is electrical conduit work is get completed, you can go for the pouring of concrete. First of all, shuttering. First step is shuttering. Later the reinforcement work. Once if reinforcement is tied, later we'll go for the electrical conduits, and next will be the pouring of concrete. So here you can see the cover block is provided. Cover to the reinforcement is provided. There should not be any. There should not be the reinforcement should not touch the shuttering part. Here you can see the spring is laid on the this one pipe. So you can see the spring. Okay, there. Okay, the major purpose of this spring is to get the bond between the concrete as well as the electrical conduits. Okay, as the plastic pipes are, these are the PVC pipes, will not have any bond between the concrete, so we have provided the spring to get the bond between the concrete as well as these pipes. Here you can see the reinforcement of a beam. Okay, we need to check these reinforcement also as per the drawing. Okay, positive and negative reinforcement will be checked here. Here you can see at the support we got main reinforcement, the negative reinforcement at top, and at mid span the main reinforcement, that is more reinforcement curtail bar are at bottom. Here you can see this is a junction of column. Okay, so we got negative reinforcement, whereas at the bottom we have 3 bars, and at the mid span at the top 2 bars are there, and at the support the 4 bars of 10 mm and 212 mm are provided here as per the drawing. Okay, it depends whatever the drawing is there. Okay, based on that we have provided. Here the slab is made ready for the concreting work. The junctions are there. Junctions should not hide in the concrete, so the proper protection or care to be taken. You can see the concrete, the slab made ready for concrete. So covering is done, covering work is done. Simply covering of slab is get. Now in the next step we'll start the concreting work. So here the volume batching is going on. In the volume batching, whatever the sand and aggregates are there, those are laid using the pans. So the mixing will be done using the concrete mixture. Whatever the hopper is there, it is filled by the pans itself using the proper ratio of aggregate and sand. Here we are using 10-20 as well as the river sand for concreting. Here you can using a lift for the concreting work. This is the third floor concreting work is going on. You can see the concreting is going on. This is purely a volume batching one. Volume batching process will be done. Okay, these checks to be these checks need to be done at the site. One is shuttering level, the reinforcements and its spacing. Next one will be the cover, electrical conduits, and the ratio of the concrete, that is the ratio of cement, sand and aggregate for concrete need to be checked. I think you like the video. If you really like the video, please press like button, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming technical videos.